was with TeaseLab for quite a while, and then after graduating, I joined as a full-time employee.
Yep.
So during kind of previous to that part of my kind of intern research fellowship thing, I did a creation and integration of a plugin for VS Code and Eclipse. So I think that's what you're kind of getting at there. And it was pretty cool. So that was the API discovery software library / package scanner, which would discover or list vulnerabilities or other endpoints that software packages may be calling that you aren't aware of. So that I built a layer on top or a wrapper around it that you could download from the VS Code extension store and then also the Eclipse plugin store. And then you could integrate that with your IDE and then actually scan any of the packages that you were using. So it was pretty cool. And that was a huge learning experience for me because I had never done anything like that before. But working with TeaseLab, they offered that opportunity, and then I was able to create this fairly useful piece of software, I think.
That's beautiful. That sounds you gained a lot of experience from that. That's amazing.
Tons, absolutely.
Yeah.